Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use text to video AI tool of Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now you will be needing first to log in into your account and you can do that by just opening Filmora, and this is the first screen that you would see, of course, except your uh, project timeline or project view. And basically from here, we can simply start creating our projects, or we can simply go here to the toolbox, and from here you will find many tools. And basically here you will find the AI color palette and many things. And make sure that you have AI credits, you can buy them, etc. And here you will find creator hub, you will find some templates, tutorial, etc. And this is the Filmora cloud where you can add your video or save your projects in the Filmora cloud. Here we are wanting to search for the toolbox. And basically here in the toolbox you will need to search for the AI to video or AI text to video. And basically you will be needing to click on it, and simply you will be needing to add generate uh, a video about how to buy crypto, for example. uh, and basically you will need to add your prompt, and you will need to choose the voice, uh, aspect ratio, and etc. And you can also add some settings. Then you will need just to click on generate, and you will wait for the process to finish, and you will simply have a video that will be generated, and then you can edit it and preview it, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.